Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, update Android and apps so background energy behavior is fixed. Once done, lower screen brightness to about 40% or enable adaptive brightness because the display uses the most power. You should immediately turn off Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS when not required. These continuously scan and drain the battery. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are on only when needed, and put the device on a stable, flat surface to avoid wake events from motion sensors. Next, you dive into deeper controls. Enable Battery Saver and configure it to kick in at 20 or 30% to extend runtime during critical hours. Then manage apps, restrict or disable background activity for the handful of heavy battery consumers, and limit background data so apps don't wake the device constantly. For phones with OLED displays, choose a true dark theme and near black wallpapers because they reduce pixel power draw. Finally, uninstall or replace poorly optimized apps to stop repeat wake cycles. Finish by optimizing maintenance routines. Perform one full charge and discharge cycle monthly to keep the battery meter calibrated, and schedule syncs during off-peak hours so you're not constantly syncing. You should enable Do Not Disturb for sleeping hours to prevent unnecessary wake-ups from notifications. If battery still drains fast, boot into safe mode to isolate rogue apps and check battery health in settings. If capacity is degraded severely, consider professional battery replacement. That solves most unexplained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.